इश्क सलामे इश्क सलामे इश्क सलामे 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 सलामे इश्क सलामे
Drishti is a wonderful child. She's absolutely perfect. She's the most sweetest, caring, and loving person ever.
She is an angel. She is too sweet.
She's too special.
सुनता सही नाम ये दलेंदी कन लाके सुनता सही नाम ये दलेंदी
The first time we met was through a common friend, Karthik. Not common friend, actually friend to me and a cousin to her. And he made us meet. And instantly we ended up bonding. We made plans to go out and all. She was the only one that I used to talk to, give gossip about everything, how my day goes. And that is how we started connecting.
But wait, only on text.
Only-
Because
yeah.
face to face he couldn't talk to me at all. He couldn't even look at me in my face when we were together. He used to like we were friends, but when we used to meet, he used to not even look at me. And I was like, what? Like, who is chatting through his phone? Is it him or someone else? Because like when I used to meet him, that time like he didn't have the guts to like look
I
at
was-
me in my face.
I'm an old kind of a person. It took me 3 months to actually ask her number out also. So imagine the stress I might have gone through while proposing to her. Yes, and I'm admitting in front of the camera I proposed to her quite a few times until one day she realized that she loves me back. And that is how probably we've ended up here giving this interview, because finally she's agreed to marry me, to marrying me.
We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story. And we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. Never felt my heart beat so wild while the sunset sets the night on fire. You and me here, and it feels so right. We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story. And we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. It's like running through an open door. It's like finding what you're looking for.
अंगना में लगवाए कुएं से पानी ना भरवाए, कुएं से पानी ना भरवाए।
छत टप के आवागी तन पढ़ के जावागी, तुझ पे नजरों ब्लॉक हो गई मेरी। हद हो गई डिसेंसी की, गल हो गई अर्जेंसी की, बहुत हुई डिस्टेंस तेरी मेरी। कदी ते क्लोज है रे आ, मैं तेरे हार्ट नू टच करना। ये डटनी पीछे नहीं हटनी, तू एक दिन मेरा ही होना। ओ इत्थे आ ओ इत्थे आ
like till date I say it, like first Deep is my best friend, after that anything else, because like he
Cut
is-
this part in front of her friends, huh? They can't know I'm her best friend.
yeah,
So-
so I see her first a friend in Deep because we were always friends. Like we used to text each other every day and we knew everything about each other, and it was just with the intention of being friends. After that we had a trip to Dubai where my family had come to Dubai for Karthik's birthday, and even he had come along with his friends to Dubai. After that in Dubai, like things changed a bit, and like he kind of admitted his feelings for me, and I realized that yeah, you know, this is something more than friendship. It's just not friendship, and that's when, you know, like
Yeah,
I
it's been a
guess-
long journey all the way from not knowing each other to meeting by faith and then being friends, getting to know each other, being in a relationship, and now probably nahi, definitely getting married tomorrow. So that basically sums up our story.
Yeah, because like we, after Dubai and stuff, you know, we came back and, you know, the COVID hit at that point of time only in full world. So like we were in lockdown for like months.
Basically, Drishti had a lot of time to indulge in flirting with me क्योंकि कोविड था तो कुछ करने को नहीं था, तो काफ़ी भाव मिल रहा था मेरे को.
बनो रे बनो मेरी चली ससुराल को, अखियों में पानी दे गई, दुआ में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई. हाय बनो रे बनो मेरी चली ससुराल को, अखियों में पानी दे गई, दुआ में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई.
रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा यूं न जा, आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ. रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा यूं न जा, कैसा तू है निर्मोही, कैसा हर जाइया. टूटी चारपाई वही ठंडी पुरवाई, रास्ता देखे दूधों की मलाई, वही मिट्टी की सुराही, रास्ता देखे टूटी चारपाई वही ठंडी पुरवाई, रास्ता देखे हाँ दूधों की मलाई, वही मिट्टी की सुराही, रास्ता देखे.
It was an amazing feeling. We felt so good. We always wanted a daughter because it's so much fun to be with the daughter, and they are very loving and caring. I always wanted a daughter, and even Vicky, he always wanted a daughter.
And we used to spend real good time with Drishti. I remember we used to go out at night also on the weekend. It was a fixed thing that every Sunday I would take her to the garden to play. I would take her out with me every holiday. The day she has a holiday, like it's fixed that we go out to the garden. Those times things are simple, you know. So she's always liked simple things anyway, and like she never demanded anything more. She just wanted to be with us, have fun.
गुड़िया रे गुड़िया तेरा गुड्डा परदेसिया, जोड़ी आसमानी हो गई, शगुन पे देखो शादमानी हो गई. हाय गुड़िया रे गुड़िया तेरा गुड्डा परदेसिया, परदेसिया जोड़ी आसमानी हो गई शगुन पे देखो शादमानी हो गई
रे कबीरा मान जा रे फकीरा यूं न जा आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ रे कबीरा मान जा रे फकीरा यूं न जा कैसा तू है निर्मोही कैसा हर जाइया
Eighth October 1995 when we had kids and we had twins and we were both very joyous. और हम लोग की खुशी का कोई अंदाज़ा नहीं था and my mom was more happy कि दोनों लड़के पैदा हुए. And then as he grew up, Deep I think has still not grown up. He's still the same, मस्तियाँ करता है and I don't know what, so many stories to tell, but he has a very good habit of being very honest and very simple, and I think he's still the same.
First, though, he was very scared to tell us because as a parents we will be excited and we'll tell her like, bring her in, like what this sanke. But then after 1 year he told us about her. But when she walked in, it was a big laughter. And from that day till now, I only remember about Drishti is a big laughter. That's all I remember about her, and it's beautiful when she laughs.
We
and
always
about my son, if I tell you, whenever we go for shopping, I always take her along with me. And whenever we have to bargain or do something, he always say, "Mama, vadika to ache." So now, finally, vadika to ache. I got my beautiful daughter-in-law, and it's really vadika to ache. Amazing.
God has been kind
That's
to
all
us.
I can say about my son.
God has been kind to us.
He's
And I
amazing.
just see he is kind to us always.
Yeah.
Drishti
really.
makes him laugh all the time. We can know that when he's on the message, if there is a smile on his face, it is Drishti. That's what we always notice. I think
Yes,
that's what
that's
always Hema has noticed. Ki whenever he's smiling, there is only Drishti on the call.
Chase down a brand new adventure. Step up, step out and enter in. There's no time for stalling. The wild is calling. When you risk it all, you learn to feel alive. Oh, searching for new life. Oh, reaching for new heights. Whoa, into the daylight. So open your eyes, we're making the climb, we're taking the dive. no time. Oh.
Donde pilles la mirada, quédate cerca de mí. Nuestro aventurero, Santina, señorita, yo que corro el
लड़की नहीं है कोई गरम मामला बोलती बंद मैं कहूँ क्या भला कुछ बिगा नहीं जाए
easy to make them accept it because my dad did full research about him and like he called up Karthik, he called up everyone and he asked how's this boy, is he a good boy or not a good boy, and like he had met him also many times before like as
Actually,
well.
the thing is that the parents didn't have a choice because Drishti had made up her mind कि करने वाली हूँ शादी तो मैं दीप से ही करने वाली हूँ, तो either accepted with a smile and gracefully everyone accepted it with a smile. तो
इश्क वर्गे इश्क ही पल्ले इश्क वे पीर भी तू, तैयार भी तू, दीन भी तू, ईमान भी तू, वे प्रीत भी तू, मीत भी तू, मेरा यार भी तू, करार भी तू। कोठे ते आ माया, कोठे ते आ माया, मिलना ता मिला के नहीं ता कसमन खा माया, मिलना ता मिला के नहीं ता कसमन खा माया।
We didn't know anything, like COVID hit. We didn't know like if we were together, we weren't together, if our thing would actually be, you know, we had not met each other since I don't know, like
6 months, 5 months.
6 months, because we were in lockdown and we were just texting each other for 6 months. So it was very genuine, like it was not us like going out every day meeting or something like that, and that's how we fell in love. We legit fell in love, like because we used to talk to each other and like we shared everything with each other. And then after COVID, then like yeah, we started going out and we like accepted our relationship and everything. I remember this also, like the only time I got out of COVID was like during Ganesh Chaturthi to go to his house for Ganpati, and that's when I met his parents also for the first time, and like things were really good. After that, like my parents also knew about it and stuff, and they knew I was with him. His parents knew he was with me, and we like after a year was done, my dad said like one day he's like, so why don't you take this ahead, you know, like you both are dating each other, you both love each other, so why not go to the next step. And then he had to go through his interview with my dad.
Yes. अभी बॉलीवुड वाला बैकग्राउंड है तो मेरे साथ भी फिल्मी सीन हुआ, बेटा आओ घर पे, काम क्या करते हो. Somehow I ended up convincing them कि जो भी है बेटी को खुश रखूंगा. And from there things progressed. The families ended up meeting. We did our roka, which is basically officially announcing to everyone that we are together. And post that, we took our plans ahead for marriage, how to go about things and everything else.
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ, मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई. हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ, मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई.
Sing and be sing Janti Sarva Karan. बोलो गजानंद स्वामी की जय. बधाइयाँ हो भाई सब.
रास रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी, आजा आजा तंग माता शंभु जय लावी.
सबै
के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है, अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है। शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई। मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई। सज सजीलो शिवरणी जय अभी, आजा आजा टमटमाता शमणाओ जय लावी ओ लावी।
The best part, when they got engaged, from that day till now, it's complete 9 months. So yesterday, whenever everybody was asking why you're so happy, I'm like, अरे धिया जमी आए, बेटी पैदा हुई है। 9 महीने पहले मैं प्रेग्नेंट हुई थी, आज मेरे को बेटी हुई है।
Yes.
So it's beautiful 9 months.
We are getting a daughter in the house, finally.
Without any pain, we have wonderful gain. So it's amazing, amazing, amazing. That's all we can say. And I don't know, if we talk about them more, it will be unstoppable.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, it's a never so ending story. It is wonderful. Let's hope there is a new life come up for them, and this will make a good house for Deep and the whole family.
Yes.
मधानिया हाय वे मेरे आटाट यार बा किन्ना जमिया किन्ना ने ले जानिया है। हाय वे मेरे आटाट यार बा किन्ना जमिया किन्ना ने ले जानिया है। छोले बाबुल तेरे महला विचों तेरी लाडो परदेसण होई है।
ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਈ ਯਾਰੋ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਲੈਂਡਿੰਗ, ਭਾਬੀ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਪਰੀਆਂ ਵਰਗੀ ਵੀਰਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿੰਗ। ਸੇਰਾ ਬਨ ਕੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਨੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚਣਾ ਏ, ਬਨ ਕੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਨੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚਣਾ ਏ। ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਬਰਾਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਨੱਚਣਾ ਏ, ਉਦੋਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਬਰਾਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਨੱਚਣਾ ਏ। ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਡਾਂਸ ਚੱਲੂਗਾ ਚੱਲੂਗਾ 1 ਮਹੀਨਾ, ਮਾਮਾ ਵੀ ਨੱਚੂਗਾ ਤੇ ਨੱਚੂਗਾ ਭੈਣ ਕਦੀਨਾ। ਢੋਲ ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਥੱਕਣਾ ਏ, ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਬਰਾਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਨੱਚਣਾ ਏ, ਉਦੋਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਬਰਾਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਨੱਚਣਾ ਏ।
We got an indication when we met Deep in Dubai. We knew something was going on. Then
We actually waited for her to tell us.
come forward.
Yeah, we both knew it down our heart that there is something.
And then there was a lockdown for 2 years, so we said let's see how it goes. And we met Deep was a courteous guy, so good, well behaved, and had good manners at least in front of us that time.
He's a very sweet kid. He's very nice. He's very respectful towards the elders. That's what
Yeah,
we've seen.
he's
And-
got good manners. So
Yeah, and I
good-
think he loves Drishti a lot. He really
Yeah.
loves her a lot, and same as Drishti. Drishti loves him a lot. So they both are just like made for each other.
Yeah. So we totally were in for the relation. We met Deep's parents. We gelled a lot with his parents. His dad and mom are very cool. So everything went well. Like
ओ हैप्पी सारे मूड आज वीरे की वेडिंग है ओ नचो नचो डूड आज वीरे की वेडिंग है ओ जोड़ी बड़ी क्यूट साडे वीरे की वेडिंग है हैप्पी सारे मूड आज वीरे की वेडिंग है वीरे की वेडिंग वीरे की वेडिंग ओ वीरे की वेडिंग वीरे की वेडिंग
आई विश ऐसे मुझे इतना हक मिलता कि मैं अनाउंस कर दूं और वो हो जाए ऐसा.
तो
इश्क वर्गे ते इश्क ही पल्ले इश्क ही दिसदा जेड़े इश्क च चले रूवी तेरी मैं भी तेरा रब्बा दिला विच तेरा ही बसेरा रूवी तेरी मैं भी तेरा रब्बा दिला विच तेरा ही बसेरा मेले आसा दे गेड़े साहा दे तेथों
अरे एक हाथ से वो तो दो हाथ ही
yes, yes.
ते पीर भी तू प्यार भी तू दीन भी तू ईमान भी तू ते प्रीत भी तू मीत भी तू मेरा यार भी तू करार भी तू ते पीर भी तू प्यार भी तू प्यार भी तू
इश्क लगनों लगी लगे जीवे यार बुलंदा काशी तो काबार तो उच्चा सानू यार दिसेंदा इश्क लगनों लगी लगे जीवे यार बुलंदा काशी तो काबार तो उच्चा सानू यार दिसेंदा
Technically, I'm just staying 5 minutes away from home, so it's not really a big difference for me because I know any time of the day, anytime I can go meet him whenever, and I know he'll always be there also for me whenever I need him. Not waking up to the same faces, not waking up in my own room, like obviously my house won't be the same, but I'm also very excited to start my new journey and new house and new life with Deep.
Rewrite the story. Tonight we're forever young. Yeah, tonight we're forever young. Through the pain and the heartaches, there's still love for everyone. There's still love for everyone.
Chatlanis and Rajanis, and really thank all my friends and family from Rajanis and Chatlanis for making the last couple of days really a great time, which memories will live on forever. Rishji, we've got something special for you. So, hope I request a little bit of silence. Everybody, please have patience for 4 minutes and enjoy the AD what you made for Rishji. Thanks a lot.
Everything starts from a vision. There's no society, no structure, no art, no science, no order, nothing without a vision. Vision means Drishti.
Our vision for a beautiful family was realized the day Drishti was born. She was like an angel, literally without wings.
Always smiling, laughing, and spreading cheer to everyone around her.
A dancing angel,
A sleeping angel,
garden angel.
as they say, it's simple to be happy, but it's very difficult to be simple. Drishti is simply beautiful and beautifully simple.
She's so simple that when she's taking a picture with a tiger, she lets him steal the limelight.
She's a delicate flower. She's so delicate that Max takes her for a walk instead of her taking him. She's friendly by nature and can never be rude to anyone. She gets only angry with me when I pull her leg and I tease her. That's fine, I like it.
Completely non-demanding, hates shopping and doesn't give a hoot to big brands.
Spiritual by nature.
Always dieting,
Non-materialistic at all. Drishti is always working hard and very active. Never chilling. I'm just joking, yaar. She's the best person to chill with.
jokes apart, she's like a saint and a misfit in today's world. Drishti loves kids as long as they don't cry and is the best sister in the world. Rohin, Max and Lucky would completely vouch for that.
My heart is filled with unspeakable pride. The memories of the years we have spent together and shared will be with me forever. I want to wish you with all the love and happiness in the world. Thanks for being there for me even though I have irritated you a lot.
Drishti is a creative soul, a born poser. She would have easily become a model but chose to be a role model of goodness instead.
She brings her simplicity, depth and honesty into whatever she does and is always true to her action.
She'll make a wonderful wife who will stand with her husband and walk shoulder to shoulder throughout their lives. I just want to tell Deep that he will have difficulty picking up a fight with her, as she's our very own Dalai Lama, the New Age Buddha, always with a smile on her face. You're the luckiest man in the world, Deep, to have her.
Deep, we welcome you to our family with open arms. We have another son now in you. Please remember, we are giving you a piece of our heart. She will lighten up your world with her laughter, warmth and love. Please take good care of her and we wish you both all the love in the world. बेटी तू इतनी जल्दी बड़ी हो गई, कैसे अपने पाँव पे खड़ी हो गई?
कल तक उंगली पकड़ के चलती थी, कभी कंधों पे उछलती थी।
रूठना तुझे आता नहीं था, बस चेहरे पे मुस्कान फिसलती थी।
जहाँ भी दृष्टि पड़ी, शहर सुहानी बनी और रात भी सुनहरी हो गई। बेटी तू इतनी जल्दी बड़ी हो गई।
तुझे कल तक गोद में खिलाया था, आज तू दीप की परी हो गई। बेटी तू इतनी जल्दी बड़ी हो गई।
बेटी तू इतनी जल्दी बड़ी हो गई।
all our love, all our prayers are with them. All our luck, God should give to them.
God bless them both with many, many years of love, togetherness forever, and their love keeps going stronger.
एक बच्चा जल्दी कर देना. God bless them with
नहीं,
that.
नहीं, इतना जल्दी नहीं, आराम से. Take your time, guys.
दिल के चैन, ओ मेरे दिल के चैन, चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ की, ओ मेरे दिल के चैन, चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ की.
Would you believe me if I said we are here for a reason now? This is our life, this is what counts, this is for us. I will go anywhere for you. I will go anywhere for you.
We just bless them that they have a wonderful life,
Togetherness,
happiness,
and healthiness,
Healthy.
and being together,
the family together.
family together. We were 4 fingers before, now we got the thumb to hold it. So we'll hold them together, and I think she will hold us together. We
Yes.
were 4 pillars, now we got the roof on the top. So amazingly beautiful.
We fell out of love. We thought that we lost, but now I see there's nothing better than us. You got me chasing memories just so I can feel you. You got me wishing nothing changed. Oh, I think I need you. I think I need you right now. All we ever get is one life, so I think that we better spend it right. 'Cause we got way too much time to lose. So let me know if you want me to. So let me know if you want me to. So let me know if you want me to. mistake, letting us slip away. But let's forget everything that happened, my love, my love.
Brahmunde!